Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Cat Bite. Whoa, a lot of papers are inside there. It's air fryer liners, 8.5 or 8.6 to 5.5 inches. These are really cool rectangle air fryer liners, disposables for dual air fryers. Salt-proof air fryer parchment paper liners for our air fry baskets. For the Foodie, for example, or the Philips air fryer, the DZ41, FG51, and so on. It's also on the market in silicone paper and rectangle and made out of foil. If you're a perfect size, each pack contains a lot of air fryer paper liners, 5 and 86 to 5.5 inches rectangle dual air fryer liners. It's compatible with two baskets, for example. Power XL, Instant, Vertex Plus, dual basket device, Kronfall, Joe D, Articore, and so on. Before we should purchase this, we should measure the inner diameter of our air fryer to ensure that we choose the right air fryer liners. Because a lot of air fryer liners by this brand, Cat Bite, are on the market available. But all of them comes with easy cleanup. The Cat Bite air fryer liners, disposable with our higher rim, can effectively keep the food residue away from the fryer. This keeps our air fryer cleaning easily. Then it makes our air fryer cook food faster. We say goodbye to tired cleaning and let disposable air fryer liners to the rest. Very easy to use and convenient. And with your high quality material in this price range, the Cat Bite air fryer parchment paper liners are made of 100% wood pulp and coated with food grade silicone oil. These air fryer liners do not add unwanted smells to our food and provide perfect protection against damage. Thicker, non-stick, and leak-proof air fryer disposable paper liners make it work perfectly and easier to pick it up our food. And a wide possibility of usage. The dual rectangle air fryers liners are great for roasting, frying, baking, steaming, frying pan, microwave, or serving foods. We can use it for heat up pizza, cooking fish, chicken, vegetables, or separate food. The air fryer basket liners can also be applied to camping, home baking, summer parties, and more. The caution of the heat resistance is up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot air in the pot may blow the air fryer liners to heating elements and cause unwanted fire, so please add enough weight of food on the air fryer disposable liners to ensure a pleasant and a safe cooking session. But of course, you're going to make something in your air fryer. Add it to this air fryer liners and you can have a good job with that air fryer disposable paper. 8 to 5.5 inches rectangle air fryer liners. This is disposable for dual air fryers and standard ones. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!